Namaskaram and welcome to Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare Ven Pongal using Kuthiraivali. It's a millet that gets cooked very easily, and if you're new to cooking millets, I would recommend to start with making pongal, because however it comes, it's going to be tasty, and if it's becoming mushy, you don't have to really worry about it, and that's how pongal has to be. Now we will see the list of ingredients needed to make this Ven Pongal. Kuthiraivali or Barnyard Millet, half cup, moong dal, half cup, pepper, 2 teaspoons, cumin, 1 teaspoon, ginger, 2 teaspoons, water, 2.5 cups, ghee, 2 tablespoons, cashew and curry leaves as required. Now we'll see how to cook this. First, let's dry roast Kuthiraivali and moong dal together and rinse it twice and drain the water and keep it aside. Now pour 2.5 cups of water in a pressure cooker and add rinsed Kuthiraivali and moong dal and salt. You can also add a bit of ginger if you want. If I miss it here, then I add it when I'm doing the tadka. Now we will lower the flame and let it cook for some time. Leave it for 1 whistle. It gets cooked very soon. Now heat the ghee and add pepper, jeera, ginger, cashews and curry leaves. When the cashew turns golden brown, when the fried aroma comes, turn off the flame and mix it with the cooked millet and dal. See how yummy it looks. It's very easy to prepare. You try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Looking forward to meeting you in our next episodes. Namaskaram.